Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to change the name of a WhatsApp group in just a few simple steps. Whether you created the group yourself or you've been made an admin, this method works perfectly for the latest version of WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the Chats tab where all your conversations appear. Look through the list and tap on the group whose name you want to change. Once the group chat opens, look at the very top where the current group name is displayed. Tap directly on that name. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can see details like the list of participants and the group settings. Next, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open a small menu. From that menu, choose the option that says Change Group Name. Now, a text box will appear, allowing you to type a new name for your group. Enter the new name that best fits the purpose or vibe of your group. Keep in mind that everyone in the group will see this new name immediately after you save it, so choose something fun, clear, or meaningful. After you've entered your new name, tap on OK to confirm your change. Congratulations, your WhatsApp group name is now updated. You'll be taken back to the chat, and the new name will be visible at the top of the screen. It's that simple. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to freshen up the group name, whether it's for a project, a family chat, or a friendship group. Just make sure you're an admin, since only admins have permission to change the name. Now that you know how to do it, go ahead and give your WhatsApp group a new look and identity. Thanks for watching.